Welcome to Bandra Diaries.
Bandra never really sleeps. It changes its rhythm.
Morning whispers become afternoon hums and night laughter.
Once known for its sleepy calm, Bandra has now turned into a kaleidoscope of energy. Every corner has an emotion. Every lane has a story.
Here, the morning starts with the sound of ringing bells and the soft call of vendors setting up their day. The sun kisses the rocks at Bandstand. The joggers trace their original paths, and the cafes are filled with the aromas of freshly ground coffee and baked bread.
Bandra lives, breathes, and dreams in color. In Bandra, food isn't a necessity, it's a tradition.
Take a morning walk to A1 Bakery and the smell of warm patties greets you before the signboard does. Families queue up for chicken rolls and brun muska, sharing smiles over every bite.
At Candies, every floor feels like a painting. Bright walls, cheerful chatter, and plates that make every color taste better.
And for a comforting meal, there's Khane Khas, rich biryanis, kebabs and curries that carry the warmth of home.
Bandra's heart beats not just through its lanes, but through its kitchens. Today we are here at Jago, where freshly brewed coffee, fresh sandwiches, pastries, and fresh bagels fill the air with magic.
Every lane here has a hidden gem, from cozy seaside cafes to age-old eateries tucked between heritage bungalows.
Bandra's food scene is a blend of nostalgia and newness. You will find everything here. Goan curries, Portuguese flavors, Irani chai, and those trendy smoothie bowls which everyone loves. And I like my chai piping hot.
And what makes it really special is the vibe. You could be eating on the street or at a high-end restaurant and still feel just as home.
That's Bandra, where food isn't just about taste, it's about togetherness and bonding.
From outside these studios, the stars walk freely.
Here, the fame feels personal. The line between the real and real fades gently. They don't just host celebrities here, they make them the part of the family. This is a beautiful piece, yeah?
Yeah, I like this one. See
I
these
really like
bags?
this one.
See these evening bags? Very classy.
See, this is so light for you.
Oh, it's a double one. It's looking very nice, but you definitely need a size bigger. See these, I like these ones. Very nice for workwear also. Very nice and light to wear for work. Everything. See this one. I love this. I bought one white bag. I'm going to buy heels. I can't manage in chappals. And these colors are so cute, these small ones.
Oh, this is so cute.
That small bag, no?
Wow, grandma's dark chocolates.
Look at these cute little teddies. They're so cute with their bums up.
Oh, they have mixed berry and all.
You'll make these into ice creams? Okay. So you choose the flavor and you just add it inside. From sunrise prayers to midnight cheers, Bandra never truly sleeps.
It's the place that taught Mumbai how to slow down and celebrate small joys. A world within a city where faith, fame, and flavor coexist in perfect harmony. As the sun dips into the Arabian Sea, Bandra changes its tone from hustle to harmony. Eddie's Cafe and Bar opens its doors, and the night begins with laughter and light.
Plates of golden brown sliders, garlic prawns, and sizzling nachos fill the tables. Every bite is a celebration. Every sip of mocktail, a toast to friendship.
We've wrapped so many projects with dinner at Eddie's. It's a Bandra ritual. Their truffle fries and creamy pastas are as famous as their music nights.
Eddie's isn't just a restaurant, it's a mood, a shared heartbeat between food, music, and wonderful memories.
Here, the night belongs to laughter, and the walls echo with the joy of those who never want to leave.
This was Bandra Diaries, the heartbeat of Bandra. A story that continues every time a smile meets the sea breeze.
Keep watching because Bandra Diaries has a lot more stories coming your way.